Good morning, students. In this video we are going to solve the exercise C2 given on page number 186. Students, I am not going to solve all 7 sentences. I am going to solve 2 sentences from the exercise C2 given on page number 186 of your course book. Here in this exercise we have to combine 2 simple sentences into one complex sentence. The question is, synthesize these simple sentences into complex sentences. It means we have to combine 2 simple sentences into complex sentences. Already we studied in this topic also. I revised that complex sentence has 2 clauses, both clauses joined with subordinating conjunction. Here in this exercise we are given 2 simple sentences. Only we have to join them with subordinating conjunctions correctly. We have to use an appropriate conjunction to join 2 sentences. And when we correctly join 2 sentences using appropriate conjunction, appropriate subordinating conjunction, then the sentence would be complex sentence. I repeat, we have to combine 2 sentences into one complex sentence. So we have to use subordinating conjunctions to combine 2 sentences. Those subordinating conjunctions you know, all WH question words, because, as, since, though, although, that. Now I am solving 2 sentences, other 5 you have to solve by yourselves. First, he does not like to study. It is difficult to understand the reason. See 2 sentences. He does not like to study. It is difficult to understand the reason. Now these 2 simple sentences we have to combine, we have to synthesize to make it a complex. So how we can make? It is difficult to understand why he does not like to study. Why he does not like to study. See, it is difficult to understand the reason why he does not like to study. It is difficult to understand the reason why he does not like to study. So we have combined 2 sentences into one by using the subordinating conjunction why. One clause, it is difficult to understand the reason, main clause, and he does not like to study, that is subordinate clause. And both the clauses joined with subordinating conjunction why. So our sentence is complex sentence. Students, even we can omit this the reason also. It is difficult to understand why he does not like to study. Okay. Next sentence. The game was lost. One sentence. Another sentence. It was the consequence of his carelessness. So 2 sentences. The game was lost. It was the consequence of his carelessness. We have to make complex sentence, so we have to use subordinating conjunctions correctly. So I can write here, it was the consequence of his carelessness that the game was lost. See, it was the consequence of his carelessness that The game was lost. Two clauses. It was a consequence of his carelessness. Second clause, the game was lost and joined with subordinating conjunction that. So the sentence is complex sentence. So students, remaining 5 sentences you combine by yourselves. Use appropriate subordinating conjunction. Read the sentences, think of subordinating conjunction and combine them. Thank you, students.